Bet you're wondering where my hat is. I lost it. Today, we're going to be doing a product review for AC Infinity's Spectron 3. And this isn't just any product review. Oh, there it is. I found it. It's a mediocre one. Of course, this thing comes with the ability to monitor your grow anywhere you are. As long as you're connected to a 2.4G network, you're going to be good. And if you don't know what these are, when you go to select your Wi-Fi signal, you'll have the option to choose the 2.4 or the 5. Just make sure to choose the 2.4. It doesn't just capture stunning 4K images, but it does time lapses. Forgot what I was talking about. So we're going to go ahead and do the unboxing of this thing. I'm going to sit the mic down. This thing is trained to analyze visual patterns, and it's going to alert you if it notices anything. Whether your plant has watering issues, a disease, or even nutrient deficiencies. It detects pests, mold, or even powdery mildew. Be sure to check on things yourself and don't just rely on this. It's limited to only what it can see. Alright, cool. So what we're looking at here is going to be the camera, and it seems to have a 1/4x20 thread pitch. Also, you'll notice at the bottom of it, it has an SD card slot and then a setup button. So this is going to be everything that the Spectron 3 kit comes with. You're going to have yourself a nice little gator clamp here, which should easily mount to pretty much any of your tents. Then it comes with a power block and a cable to plug it in with. Now, if you get the Spectron 3, you're going to be getting the camera, the Omni mount, the power adapter, and the USB cable, and
turn off the light. Night vision goggles.
This thing has the capability of seeing 32 feet in the dark. With the Spectron 7, you're getting basically a secondary camera if you get the Spectron 7, which allows you to see underneath the canopy. Holy shit, gives you thermal, and so on. So the Spectron series has the ability to not only detect the growth rate of your plant, but to understand the stages and bud development over time. Next, it says you can adjust the angle of the camera to suit your needs using the side knobs. Do not over tighten. Oh, a little late for that. Next question, where is the camera supposed to be mounted? You decide. You're the boss. As you guessed, all you're going to need is one of AC Infinity's environmental controllers to start automating and controlling your garden. Your humidifier.
Control it.
Your AC unit. Control it. Fan.
Control it.
And if you're wondering about the infrared and why you have it, well, that's to detect if you have heat spots coming from your lights. If you're somebody who's wondering where it is that I've been, well, I took a break. This camera makes decisions based off of what it sees. Okay. No, not those type of suggestions. Also, this camera is waterproof, so this thing is actually going to set you back $79.99. In today's society, we all know that $80 doesn't really go that far. So go spend a couple thousand and use my promo code. And that's a pretty good deal if you ask me. I've actually seen grow cameras go for quite a bit more. In fact, I've paid over $200 for one. Then it's got night vision. Your plants can't even detect because it's got a 940 nanometer or something like that. And then there's been another time where I purchased a time-lapse camera for $200, and that thing only records in 1080, and I thought it was a great deal. Yet here we are, time-lapse. Night vision, 4K. It can not only do all of these things, but it also helps you grow. It should be able to look at your plant and determine what stages it's in, and change your climate based on that information. Refer them to your other videos linked in the description. Go check out some of my other videos. I like to think that they don't suck, but they're not that great. Video done now.